Today I'm going to be waxing the inner of the drawer with the Sweet Orange Chalk Mountain Furniture Wax. I just figured since they just look so dull and not newish looking that I would revamp them. So right now I've sanded, I've applied our furniture prep cleaner with the wintergreen scent to clean the inside. So now I'm going to apply the wax. So it's best to always do your waxing in a circular motion, as it will spread throughout the entire piece. As well as with our natural waxes, less is more. As you can see, I've only dipped my brush into the wax one time and I have full application pretty much to do the entire inner of the drawer, because you can always take the excess that you have in the inside and apply it. There's certain areas where you will follow the grain of the piece, especially when you have those areas where you cannot do the circular motion. So as you can see, I've dipped my wax once into the actual brush itself, as well into the wax container, and I was able to apply it to all sides, both outer sides, which are visible when you open the drawer, and the inner four corners, and the actual base itself. Let me move that so you can see that I am still using the same amount of wax that I had applied. Next step will be to let it dry for the 30 minutes, do my first wipe. Sorry about my dog in the background, he is sunbathing. And from there, I'll let it do my second wipe after the 30-minute wait. And then from that, I will do my final wipe, removing the excess and letting it sit and cure. So this drawer is actually going to be going with this set right here, which I am polying as well.